Welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Directive 8020 gamepad or controller not working issue. The very first method here is to restart your PC once. For that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart over here. Click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option. Search for device manager. Expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and here click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back. Here you have to select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If not, then come back again. Here you have to select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. After verifying the game files, launch it and check if controller is working now. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices. Here a controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC. After that, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on here and add your controller here and after that check if it's working now. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. Here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, try to update the game and after that launch the game again to check if it's working. Here you will find the update option. If there is any update available, click on it, update your game and then launch the game and check if gamepad is working now. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google or you can simply go through the link I have already given in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the download option and DS4 Windows tool will be downloaded. After you download it, you have to install it. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once you have done this, now launch Directive 8020 game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these solutions will surely help to fix Directive 8020 gamepad or controller not working problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.